Well, a week after Harvey made landfall, communities in Texas are starting to dry out, but other areas along the Gulf Coast could actually get more flooding. Don Champion reports from Houston.
The Natchez and Savin rivers in southeastern Texas could crest today, potentially bringing even more flooding to towns already hit hard by Harvey. In Beaumont, a hospital was evacuated after the storm knocked out the city's drinking water supply. The National Weather Service says a flood threat in the area exists until the middle of next week.
We underestimated it. We didn't thought it was going to be this devastating.
Vice President Mike Pence visited Rockport, while up north in Houston, the mayor insisted the city has turned a corner.
The city of Houston is open for business, and quite frankly, we're open for business right now. Okay?
Firefighters in the city are now going house by house looking for victims and stranded survivors. Several refineries around Houston are still out of commission because of the storm. Some experts predict that could raise gas prices by another 40 cents per gallon over the next several weeks. Don Champion, CBS News, Houston.
The president, who pledged $1 million of his own money to relief efforts, is scheduled to visit Texas again tomorrow. If you would like to help the people in Houston, please text Harvey to 90999 to make a $10 donation. You can also donate by calling the Red Cross or visiting its website.